Booster theme Shopify free download. What is going on, guys? In today's video I'll show you how to download the Booster theme on Shopify for free. So this is the Booster theme, and normally you would have to pay quite a lot of money for this theme. As you can see, $398 or $200 for 1 year license. So this is quite expensive, guys. But in this video I will show you how you can get this theme for 100% free. So the first step to get this theme for free would be to visit the link in the description of this video, or the link that you can see now on the screen. So visit the link that you can see now on the screen, and with this link you will be able to get the Shopify free trial with an extra extended trial. So this is really good. This is an exclusive offer, and after that you will be able to claim your themes and get the Booster theme for free, guys. This is 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. So the first step would be to register for the Shopify free trial. So click this button. This is a special link, so make sure you visit the exact link I just showed you. Here, you just enter your email address and click on Start Free Trial. Now, in this short questionnaire, just answer these questions very quickly. An online store, this will be the answer for most people. Dropshipping products in my case, but you can select any of these options, and then just select your region and click on next. Now you can create a new account or select an account if you already have one, and now just give it a few seconds. Guys, make sure you use the link in the description, otherwise you will not get the free trial and the themes bonus. So I really recommend you to use that link, and it's at no extra cost for you, so there are literally no downsides to this. Now just click on select a plan and click on basic, or you can select a different plan, but for most people the basic plan will be sufficient. Now just enter here your credit or debit card details, but don't worry, guys, it will not charge you until the free trial is over. So you're just entering these details so your store can be activated, nothing else. You can cancel this anytime and you will not get charged for entering the details here. This is just to verify that you are a real person and the store can be activated. Now after entering the details, just click on this button and your store will be activated. You can actually use the Shopify store even without entering the details with this special link, but if you want to start selling on the free trial, you need to enter there the credit card details so it can be activated and visible to the public. Now just save your business address and the Shopify store setup is finished. Now you can use the Shopify store as you want. It is activated and you can actually start selling, and you are on the free trial. And after you create your Shopify store with the Shopify free trial, just click on claim themes and enter here your name and your email address, and then click on get access now. It will say that your submission was successful. So now just check your email. Make sure you check your spam folder as well. For me, the email was delivered into the spam folder, and in the email click on the link and you will be able to access all of the themes for free. So now as you can see, here is the Booster Shopify theme, so you can just click on it, click on download and standard download. After that you can go to your online store themes and upload the theme that you just downloaded. It will take some time for the theme to install, but once it's installed you can just click on customize and after that publish if you want to use it as your main theme. And now as you can see, this is the Booster theme. You can change it as you want. All of the Booster features are available here in the settings. So you can use, for example, the currency, discount, pop, newsletter, and all of the features that you normally could use with the Booster theme. As you can see, it is the actual Booster theme. You can click on it, edit the text, and everything that is included in the Booster theme. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Make sure you check out the link in the description of the video, or the link that is now on screen. Open it, create your Shopify store with the free trial offer, and then use the link to claim the Booster theme for free.